Hi guys! Welcome to my reaction video. My name is Saleng. I'm a Bisaya from the Philippines and I'm currently here working in Germany. Welcome, welcome! For today's reaction video, pagbibigyan po natin yung request sa comment. We'll be reacting to Niebe, a New Year's Eve performance by SB19. I think it's a live performance. I've heard Niebe before. I know already what the song is about, the lyrics, and yes, it's awesome. It's kind of an emotional and inspiring song. So I really like it. And I think I'm gonna cry. Okay. So now let's start. Ooh. Wait. Why is it so pixelated? Is it mine? Is my internet good or is my internet the problem? Wait. So I thought it was my internet problem, why it's so pixelated. But yeah, I find out and I've searched that it's just the same. So yeah, lutaw gihapon na ilahang mga kagwapo no. So wala problema. Maskin mag-pixelated, maskin blurry pa na sila. Gwapo good gihapon, di ba? So mag-start ta balik. Ooh. Taghantaw. Hopefully ako pod. Ooh. Sus, magsuot-suot ko diya. Like I will squeeze myself just to be in front if I could, you know. It would make my year like it would suerte. If I was there during this performance, it would be great. My year would be great. You know, I think my year would be so suerte, so lucky. Right?
Bakit ba di ko na malayang dumadampi na sa aking mukha? Lamig na mabigat pa sa dala.
So I think this song is perfect for this season. Because here in Germany it's still winter, it's January, so yeah, it would be great, you know, like snowing and then you're just listening to this song and like ooh, ooh. Anyway. Yes, Pablo. Yes, you make my heart beat. Shh, sabanta. For those of you who don't know, I'm married actually. So, makita ni sa akong husband. Patay ko, but yeah, he's so supportive. So, anyway, let's go.
Alam kung paano pa ba ako magiging masaya. Tayo may maghalayo. Panalangin.
Wait. This is my first time. I've seen a lot of videos from SB19. Okay, if na yung mga event, na yung mga shows, even ka na mga fan cam. No, ako nang kuti-kutihon sa YouTube. Pak. You know, like I'm a certified stalker. That doesn't sound good, but yeah, when it comes to the boys, yeah, I'll do that. But this is my first time, actually my first time watching or seeing this video. And wa mo nag-ingon. Naade ay pa wet effect diri. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at Stel with the wet look and the sweating. I don't know because it's outside, like outdoor. I'm not sure if it's raining or what because usually in the Philippines during this season, like January, from November, or maybe from September, October, yeah, it's the rainy season already, so that would be until like February or January. So I think it's raining. Maybe it's raining. Okay, a little bit of rain, then this wet look, or maybe it's just a sweat. But who cares? The wet look on Stel. You know? Like, kalma. Saleng, kalma. Baby, kalma. Oh my God.
Takot ay maglalao ito.
Dong. If I was there, I would take off my clothes, give it to him, or maybe wipe it on his sweat. No. I'm sorry.
Aking pangako, ako'y nandito. Alam ko na hindi ito posible, pero bakit bumubuhos ang niebe? Lalamig ang bisig, hinahanap ang iyong tinig. Magkakasanay, di imposible. Oh, niebe. Malamig ba'y di napalit? Basta't nandiyan ka parang lalamig ang bisig, kapapa sa aking dibdib.
Okay. So you can see it from the video. I'm not sure if it's clear, but yeah, you can see it. There's dripping. There's drizzle, not dripping, but drizzle. Nag-ulan bay, pero taligsik lang. Sa Bisaya, taligsik. Drizzle, char.
Pwede po ba natin taas ang mga flashlights natin? Ang ating mga ilaw. Itaas po natin.
Ilaw.
Alam ko, itong taon na to, napakaraming problema ang binigay sa atin. Napakaraming pagsubok. Pero ngayong New Year, ngayong New Year's Eve at ngayong gabi, itapon po natin lahat at ibaon natin ang mga ating problema para sa 2024. Para sa bagong taon, kasama niyo po kami at kasama niyo lahat ng tao dito. 2025, panibagong taon, panibagong pag-asa. Dahil lahat matutunaw din. Matutunaw din ang ating panalangin.
Wait. Wait. I don't think he can see. I'm not sure if he can see or not. It looks cool, yes, but I'm not sure if he can see. What do you think? It's very difficult performing if you just have to see like that. You know what I mean? It's very difficult, but yeah. I've already said this in my previous video that I'm an 18 and I live in Freezer. So I'm a hot dog. Die-hard fan for Pablo. When he sings, he's so soulful. Is that a word? Kasabot man mo na ako siguro mga hotdog dira, no? Mga kapwa hotdog dira, di ba? Pag mukanta si Pablo, grabe, parang murag, anak bitaw. I'm a huge, I'm a big fan. Big na lang. Yeah. Justin.
Na hindi ito posible. Pero bakit bumubuhos? Bakit bumubuhos ang niebe, niebe, niebe? Niebe, niebe, niebe.
You know, in the last part, sa harmony, murag, hapit ko kahilak. Hapit ra. Dili pa time ang muhilak. Okay? Once again, my heart is full. I'll give it a 2 thumbs up. 2. Or if I could make my toes up, then that would be 4. I would really appreciate it if you could recommend another video, not just SB19 or any other P-pop group where I can react to. I would really appreciate it, and I'm willing to do so. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button, or like, or watch my video, share, or whatever, or don't, or just have fun watching. No pressure. So I hope to see you again. Bye. Have a great day.